Multilogin is an all-in-one anti-detect solution for managing multiple accounts. In this demo, we'll show you how to create Japan-based profiles with built-in proxies, pre-warmed cookies, and reusable proxy templates. Begin by opening your dashboard. Click Create to start building a new browser profile. Give your profile a descriptive name for easy identification. Multilogin offers pre-made cookies to jumpstart trusted sessions. Pick your target platform to apply them. Choose the built-in proxy option, then decide between mobile or residential proxies. Choose Japan as your proxy location. You can also refine your choice down to a specific city. Run a proxy check to confirm your connection is stable and working. Add tags and notes to keep profiles organized and easy to manage. Tweak settings like fingerprinting, timezone, and WebRTC to fit your needs. Click Create Profile to finalize the setup. Your profile is now ready for use. To speed things up, you can use AI quick actions for bulk profile creation. Simply enter your instructions and press Enter. You can save time by creating reusable proxy templates for future use. Click Create to add a new proxy template. Set up your proxy preferences. Next time, your saved template will be available during profile creation. Return to your list of profiles. Another option is to clone profiles. Select your profile and click the clone icon. Each profile will work in a separate and isolated environment, but will have the same settings. Enter how many clones you'd like to create in this pop-up window, and then click Clone. You now have several ready-to-use profiles. Select your new profile and click Start. Once the profile launches, check your IP and location. Then head to your target platform to log in or create accounts, all while remaining undetected with Japan proxies. Thanks for watching. Explore more on our website and YouTube channel. Sign up now and begin managing accounts seamlessly with built-in Japan proxies.